Well, hello, my name is Tony. I'm here to take you through a mix of Tai Chi and basketball. Well, now, some of you are basketball fans know there's several moves in basketball, but consider something. Do these exercises just as slow as you need to and try to do each one of them at least 3 to 5 times, each of the movements, because Tai Chi is more about movement than anything. So let's go ahead and get started because you just entered the coolest life, Tai Chi edition. All right, hopefully you can hear me. But go ahead and get you a basketball, and basically we're going to work with some of the moves. Your basic move in Tai Chi is going to be bending your knees just ever so slightly. Now, anytime we're doing any of these exercises, you know your limitations, so you stick with your limitations. But we're going to bend ever so slightly, and we're going to use the ball just like this. We're just going to kind of warm up just a little bit. We're just going to kind of move the ball, maybe at a figure-8 motion. Try to, as you move now, we're doing a figure-8. Watch, as you move now, we're going to lean just a little bit. And we'll come back up to the other side. And we'll lean the other side. The other side. So now let's do a bounce pass. We're going to pivot our weight over this way, take a step forward, and here's our bounce pass. Bounce pass. Bounce pass. Ball's up for grabs. Up, down. Ball's up for grabs. Up, down. Up, down. We want to pass the ball. Watch this. Let's try to work ourselves around. Let's try to go around our backs. Again, our knees are bent ever so slightly. This is just getting those joints working. Know your limitations. Use that ball as a little bit of a weight. Luckily, the weight of these balls are, I think it's 2.4 pounds or something like that. So it's not very heavy at all. If you need to, get a smaller ball. Maybe even a Nerf ball, something that's really light. Always go back to that figure-8. You're faking that person that's in front of you. Where are you going to pass it? They don't know. Where are you going to pass it? Now step back up from the shot. Get your body aligned. Shoot. Shoot. Again, I'm bending at the knees. Shoot. Let's do the other side. Shoot. 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 Now let's put that ball aside for just a minute. Now let's tell someone, I'm open. I'm open. Open. Throw me the ball. Throw me the ball. Throw it here. I'm open. Hey. Throw me the ball. Open. Throw me the ball. Now I've got a guy in front of me, right? I'm still bending at the knees. I'm going to push. Do a little push. Just push. He's in front of me again over here. Push. He's in front of me again over. Push. 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 Here I am. I'm open. Throw me the ball. I need to take a step forward with my bounce pass. Grab the ball. Take one step forward. Bounce pass. Bounce pass. Bounce pass. To the other side. Bounce pass. Bounce pass. Now let's take a step. So got my legs all locked, or should I say bent? We'll take a step. Bounce pass. All the way back. Bounce pass. Bounce pass. To the other side. Bounce pass. Bounce pass. Bounce pass. Now let's go back here to center. I got my right over left. Now I'm going to switch left over right. For me, if this is right over left. Now, eventually, you might want to pick up the speed a little bit as you're doing this. But it's that motion. That motion is what Tai Chi is known for. The motion. What's going on around. Doing those knees. Working those knees. Normally, most people say when they get older, the one thing they miss the most is their knees. I know, that's what I miss. But my knees are in really good shape right now to be almost 60. And around. Can you do that yet? This helps coordination. You notice I'm not even looking down at the ball. Let's go the other way. And again, we're going side to side. We're working those knees. That's a big part of Tai Chi, is getting down and working those knees and taking that step forward. Telling somebody, hey, I'm open, throw me the ball. You know, I'm open, throw me the ball. I'm open. I'm open. Let's get down even further if you can. I'm open. You hear the plane that's out going on out here, can't you? This is right here on my back porch. Be looking for some of the other videos I'm going to do on basketball. We'll do one on pickleball, possibly even tennis. Always that swimming motion. Maybe you can do one on swimming, huh? Swimming would definitely involve more kicks. You don't want to kick too much in basketball. You get in trouble for that. But again, I'm open. Over here. I'm open. Over here. Well, I hope that gave you some tips as far as trying to learn Tai Chi and using different things you can as weights, like a basketball. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Go ahead and send this to your friends who are considering some Tai Chi. Maybe this will help get them into Tai Chi a little more. Just doing this 5-15 minutes a day is going to really help your coordination, movements, your joint fluidity, so you can really get that range of motion back, because that's what you want to do. Thanks for joining us.